Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle blogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So today is Candle Day at Bath & Body Works. This is probably my number one, definitely in my top 3 favorite sales of the year. So every year, in case you guys don't know, most of you probably do, every year Bath & Body Works does a big sale where all of their big 3-wick candles are $9.95. I think they used to be $10, but now they're $9.95. Keep in mind, in your app, oftentimes in the Bath & Body Works app, there's often a 20% off or 25% off or maybe $10 off a $30 purchase type of thing in the app. So make sure you have the app so that you can use that in conjunction with the sale. So we're about to go shopping, y'all. We're gonna hit up the sale and then I will come back and do a haul. But before we jump into that, let's open day 5 of our advent calendar. So I do have Sephora's advent calendar. I am doing Vlogmas, meaning every single day in the month of December, I'll be releasing a video every day in December. So every day we unlock a new day in our Sephora advent calendar. So let's see what we got. So let's see what day 5 has to offer us. Okay, y'all, so day 5 we got Moroccan oil treatment. There's been some pretty good stuff in the advent calendar so far. So it's just the oil, the Moroccan oil, which I love. Let me put a little bit on my hair now. I used to use this a lot. Ooh, I forgot how thick it is. I like thicker on my hair anyway. Smells good, almost cologne-y. This would be really nice to travel with as well, because usually I have to try to figure out what to put my oil in. Love that for me. Okay, y'all, so on the lips, I know you are probably wondering, I have on these Sephora lip creams, right? So keep in mind, Sephora sale is still going on now. So these lip creams are like $10 and you get 30% off. So y'all might wanna go get these. So what I'm wearing is number 94 on the lip line, and then I put number 1 in the center. So this is what I'm wearing on my lips. Super matte. I hadn't worn these in so long, but I put them on the December makeup tray to make sure I get to them because I love to wear red lips in the winter. So, well, December especially. So let me show y'all my outfit of the day and then we're gonna get to Bath & Body Works for the sale. Okay, so I just have on a denim top. I got this top like 5 years ago, y'all. And it was probably at like Ross and Marshall's, I'm not sure, but it was a long time ago. The jeans, I just have on these skinny jeans that I got from Target. It was like a couple years ago. If I can find them, I'll link them in the description box. It was a while ago. I just have on some Tims. Now these aren't the, you know how typically people wear the most popular ones, the peanut butter Tims. These are the rust colors, which are slightly darker than the peanut butter color. I love the rust ones. So just the classic Timberlands in the shade Rust. So for handbag today, I'm gonna carry my Fendi mini Tresor bag, the mini bucket bag from Fendi. And for fragrance, y'all, we're gonna do Exalté from Fumi Monet. Beautiful rose fragrance. Vanilla rose. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fragrance. Okay, y'all, let's get to the sale before it's picked over. Love this lipstick. Okay, y'all, so that was a bit of a doozy. They had us waiting in line outside. I thought when it rained here in Houston the other day it was gonna bring the cold, but it brought the heat. It's hot and humid outside. And so we had to stand outside for maybe, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. And they were only letting people in the store in increments, like 5 people at a time. A lot of the staple candles that are probably some of y'all's favorites weren't there. A lot of stuff was not there. I feel like they were pushing a lot of the holiday candles, which I'm not a fan of a lot of their Christmas candles. I bought quite a few last Christmas and half burned them because I didn't like them like that. So because of that, I didn't get as much as I usually get because it just wasn't what I thought, you know. So we're gonna eat and then go home and do the haul. So we just pulled up at one of our favorite restaurants. It's a Mexican restaurant over here that is so good. Every time I come here, I try to get something different on the menu because it's always a hit. No matter what I get, it's really good. So let's eat. So that was good. We're gonna grab some dessert and go home. I'm gonna get it to go. So one of my friend girls has a dessert shop called The Puttery, and it is so good, y'all. If you haven't heard of it, go on Instagram and follow The Puttery. The best banana pudding. She has different desserts, but my favorite is the banana pudding, y'all. It is one of one. Like, the way it's whipped is something serious. So I'm gonna go in here, grab some dessert to go, and then we'll head home and do the haul. Okay, so the line is wrapped around, y'all. The line is literally wrapped around. So I'm not gonna go. I'll probably place the order for the weekend and pick it up. But y'all, the line is wrapped around. Look at the cars. Never mind. Okay, y'all, so we're back. Let's haul these candles. First up is Falling Flurries. Now this is a candle, I've never tried this scent before. It smells good. It smells almost like a perfume. It has notes of frozen thyme, fresh eucalyptus, ripe pear, sandalwood with natural essential oils. It just smells fresh and a little earthy, but like a sweet earthy, not like earthy, like super earthy grass type. So if you're somebody that's not a fan of earthy, you might still like this because it's more sweet than earthy. It smells really good. I'm excited to burn this. This smells like something you could just burn in your house normally or something you could burn in the bathroom. Strawberry pound cake. So I have a few of these already, and it smells just like a strawberry pound cake. The strawberry is at the forefront, and it smells really nice. Fresh picked strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Smells like all of the above. So nice. Cinnamon spice vanilla, y'all. I've been raving about this candle for like a year now. I've never had it in this particular packaging. I have a few of them on backup already. I burn this in the studio where I do my makeup tutorials all the time. So, fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, Tahitian vanilla bean. Smells so good. And this is one of those candles that when you light it, it's gonna smell up your whole entire house. This is one of my favorites. This one is called Summer. So I had never seen these. They had just these almost generic like scents in there. They had one called Spring, they had one called Winter, and then they have this one called Summer. If you could put summer in a candle, this is what it smells like. It smells like summertime as a kid when you go outside at like 8 in the morning to play outside and the sun is shining and the grass, but it's not super earthy either. It's just more fresh. It smells like a beam of sunlight, you know? So it has notes of sun-kissed citrus, orange blossoms, and coconut husk. It smells so good, y'all. So good. Another cinnamon spice vanilla, another summer. So yeah, I really like this one if I got two. This one is called pineapple mango. So I typically don't get like scents like this, but it smells fresh and clean. That's really what got me. But then it has hints of pineapple and mango too. So it's like a fresh fruity. It smells like juicy fruit, like ripe fruit, ripe pineapples and mango that's like dripping. It smells good. And this one has notes of fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine ripened raspberry. Yeah, pineapple juice. It smells juicy. Gingham. Now I've been seeing this candle for years, never picked it up, but when I was walking around the store, a lady told me that I should try this. She was like, you should try this. It smells clean and good. And it does. It just smells fresh and clean. A little sweet, but not too sweet. So this one has notes of blue freesia, white peach, and fresh clementine. Smells good. I'm excited to burn this. It smells like something that I would burn in like the spring, summer, but I can see how it could just be year round because it just has like a clean scent too, you know? Another pineapple mango. The juicy pineapple is what got me. It smells really good. Eucalyptus snowfall. So this is one that I've never gotten before. Smells like eucalyptus and being outside in the cold. This has the perfect name, by the way. How did they do that? Frozen eucalyptus, snowy spearmint. That's what I smell, spearmint. And winter lavender. Smells really good. Smells like cold weather in the best way. Watermelon lemonade. You guys, I don't like the smell of watermelon. I don't like watermelon, the fruit to eat, nor the smell of watermelon. But something about the way they put the lemonade in there really did it for me. Oh, it smells sweet and good. It smells like a sweet candy. So this one has notes of watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Mayer lemon. Sweet, fresh. It smells like candy. And then we have spiced gingerbread. Y'all know I had to get some gingerbread, right? So this one has vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, fresh ground nutmeg. So this is the spiciest candle that I picked up. It's sweet and spicy. It smells like a gingerbread, but you know how I talk about ginger biscuit, how it's so well-rounded with the amount of sugar in the scent, the amount of cinnamon, all of that is just even and well blended. Well, this one is heavy on the nutmeg. Like it's nutmeg heavy, but it's sweet, it's spicy, smells like a gingerbread that they put a little bit too much nutmeg in, but I don't mind it in a candle, you know what I mean? Smells good though. And last is another watermelon lemonade. So that's the last one I got. I feel like this year they didn't have like the staples like Palo Santo and vanilla. There's a lot of like the staple candles that I always pick up during the sale. They didn't have a lot of them. I was sort of surprised. I feel like people were kind of like walking around trying to figure out what to get because their go-tos weren't really there, but it's cool because I ended up picking up some stuff, like being able to try some new stuff because I have tons of candles already. It's not like I needed any. So I was kind of forced to try some new stuff, which I'm not mad at. So I'll keep you guys posted on how I like some of these as I burn them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed day 5 of Vlogmas. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.